Welcome back to this YouTube channel, MilesTech. In this video, we're going to be dealing with the HTTP Custom Websocket. We're going to be setting it up from scratch, and then you're going to be able to use it in different countries and on almost different networks. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Drop that like button, smash it, and then so that this video can be moving, so that everyone can be seeing this video, and we ensure to subscribe. Go run down the comment section and then drop your suggestion. If it has worked, drop it has worked. If it has failed, also alert us so that we can be helping you in any way. So I'll start up my tutorial. I'm going to open the Google Play Store, and then I download this VPN application called HTTP Custom. If you don't know how to download, I will direct you. You go run down to the search bar, and then you search for the VPN application called HTTP Custom, and then ensure to download the VPN application that looks like this. It looks like this. Then you're going to be setting it from scratch, and then you will be able to be enjoying the internet on the WebSocket. It is a socket. You will see that this thing is so much enjoying. It is enjoyable. So give me the subscription, guys. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. I set up my tutorial officially. So let me open the application and I show you how it works. So initially, if you open the application, it will be looking like this one. I have only one button enabled, but I also recommend my subscribers, my viewers, to enable only these. If you are to set up the WebSocket, make sure to enable the DNS, make sure to enable the payload, and also make sure to enable the SSL. I don't want you guys to stress you, my viewers, with why you should enable them. I will leave the why part just for the interest of time, and I will be coming the next videos just to be explaining why you are going to be enabling those. So enable those three buttons. Then run back to your home screen, and then if you reach your home screen of your phone, then just go right here where we have our holy Google Chrome, and then open up the Google Chrome. You can be opening up. Let me show you how it will be looking like. You're going to open the Google Chrome. You can open up the Opera Mini. You can open up. The Phoenix, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and any other type of browser. Then just run where we are going to search from up there, and then type in fast SS. It is enough. So then search. Wait for a few moments. Then you are going to be searching. It will be looking like this. fastss.com. The reason why I've chosen fastss.com is only because fastss gives the fastest servers. When it comes to the WebSocket, it is the best in town. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share this video to your friend. These guys are telling me to view a short AD, and I won't be bad. I'll view their AD so that these services can be kept completely free. And then I'll be running up here where we have the article cross sign, and then I cross the AD. Then this is what we are going to be doing with fastss.com. So I'm going to be zooming. Then I go up right here where we have the SSS, we have the we have that one, and we have that one. So I recommend you guys to be choosing up with I'm going to choose this one, that one, SSWS. It means SSH Websocket. Then choose that one. Then wait for a few seconds so that the site can load the SSH Websocket. So we have this. Ensure zooming. this is what I was telling you guys, that fastss.com gives many servers, so it is very hard for this website to get full. So we have the United Kingdom, we have the US, we have, this is what I'm telling you, we have the United Kingdom, we have USA, we have the SG public, but when you look at the accounts remaining, we have many accounts remaining on those servers. So I'm going to be free to choose any of those, and I'll be setting it from scratch. So let me choose the United Kingdom, the first one, and then I'll be scrolling down, and the first thing to do, I'm going to complete this captcha. Then I complete that one. And then I have a video on how to complete it without just tick. You're going to see how it comes. I will also pin it down there in the description, so they can just complete it for free for you on your Google Chrome. Then wait for a few seconds so that thing can be completing. It has completed successfully. So come run to the username and then put in your username, MilesTech 44. Let me put 996, or let me put 966. You are free to put any of your username, and I recommend a stronger password of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to be coming right down here where we have the option of creating an account, and then choose that option. Then my subscribers, scroll up right here, you will be seeing something rotating like this. Wait for it for a few moments, it will be completing as you see. Then we have something that looks like this. So my subscribers, let me first explain something right here in the HTTP Custom application. We have the IP address first. We are going to be following this protocol. The IP address first, we're going to be following such a protocol such that we have the IP address first, the port second, the separator third, the username fourth, and then the password last. Then I'm going to go and I choose the IP address. We have the host IP address right here. Then we are going to copy it, that one. Then I'm going to come and I copy your host IP address, and then you come right here and then paste it. And then what we have there, it is a colon, and then the port I recommend 443, and then the separator, you put the separator, and then you run back to Google Chrome to choose the username. But first SS is telling me something here, that your username is that one. Then you copy your username from fastss.com like this, then run back to the HTTP Custom application, then paste your username, and then the password, it is simple as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I guess. Sure. So we are done with setting up with the account. So now we are going in the essential settings. So going to those settings, we're going to be running down up there where we have those 3 dashes. Then you're going to click those 3 dashes, and then you go to the payload. Now this is how we are going to do with the payload. Some people think that getting a payload, it is something that is so stressful, but it is simple as going to fastss.com and look for a word called payload. It is right here. Just scroll to your right or left. Right. We have the payload right here. So we have this payload. We have this as our payload. Let me sample it. What is our payload? Hope you are seeing all it. We're going to copy it. We're going to select all and then copy. Then go back to our HTTP custom application and then paste your payload and then click apply to apply. So now we are going to set the last settings in this application. We are going to go right there, and then you click those 3 dashes. Then you're going to go where we have the SNI. So guys, I'm going to pin down a video down there in the description guiding you, my subscribers, on how to get a working SNI host for your country. You are free to check the description down there. The video is already there. Then first watch it, then you come back. We put the SNI for your country. So I'm going to be choosing a country such as should I choose Uganda, Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, Pakistan, or I go in US? I can go in Europe. I choose a country, but I won't. Maybe let me choose. I want to choose a country. Let me choose a DNS from Google. www.google.com. But you can choose. An SNI host. Let me choose that one of airtel.co.ug. Let me choose that one. But I didn't want to choose any SNI host from any country, but I was forced because I have to test it whether it works at the end of the video. So I'm going to apply, and after applying, I'm going to come. I haven't yet finished the setting. I'm going to come there. And then I'm going to come where I have the payload, and then I open the payload. Now look for the word host. We have that host, and then highlight it in that case, and then put Airtel. Put your host for your country. Let me put this one for this country for .co. Ensure that the host is written as it is. Airtel. .co.ug. Then I'll be choosing that one, and then I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to apply. So I'm going to press the connect button. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel because it has connected successfully. I don't think it can fail to connect. Wait for a few moments for this to connect. Then we see the way forward. If it fails, it can't. It can't. We have connection lost. There was a problem. It has connected successfully, as you see. It has connected. Don't forget to subscribe. I sign out.